Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also the bell beside the subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot. However, sometimes my videos are time sensitive, possibly today's, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. All right? Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. This is important for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying my content or you've been here more than once visiting me, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It's found right underneath the video, and I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. Okay. Today, I'm so excited to be able to share something with you that when I started my channel over a year ago, this was a video that I could not wait to share with you guys because I really wasn't seeing it on YouTube with a lot of people that I was watching. So I was really happy that I was able to introduce this to kind of our YouTube community, of beauty community, and thank you so much to all the other channels that found out about it through me and then shared on their channels that's how they found it. So I appreciate so much for those shout outs. So if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about based on the description of the title, there is in the month of May something that QVC has done for many years. Now that QVC is part with HSN, they bought HSN, they're under the same umbrella. So now HSN is doing the same type of benefit, I guess that's the right word, for this, what I'm gonna be telling you all about today. What is great about this is I'm going to tell you a few things that I did. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what this is all about. It's a one-time opportunity. You could only get this package once, but they're starting to trickle in a few of the items of what are going to be in this package. However, with that said, the main dates I'm going to go through with you of when everything comes in. So I shopped early so I can show you guys and tell you guys about this so that you guys will be able to have full access when everything comes on the television for this. So I did order from both HSN and QVC. The package that came first was from HSN. So I'm going to read to you a little bit about what I'm talking about, and then we'll go through the rest. Okay? All right. Really so excited to be able to share this with you guys. Okay. First of all, more importantly, if you have never purchased from like an HSN or a QVC and you're not doing it through Rakuten, make sure to use my link down below because Rakuten has been running this deal that if you sign up, and there's no charge to sign up for this, and it's just this promotion that they're running that if you use my link, you will get $25 and I will get $25. And Rakuten is solely a website that has so many retail chains in it. And QVC, believe it or not, and HSN are also part of Rakuten as well as FabFitFun and Ulta, Sephora, everywhere where I shop. I make sure to check on Rakuten first, and then I type in the name of the store. So in this time it would be HSN. It will tell me the percentage that it's going to pay me, and then the next thing I know, in 3 months I will get a check in the mail. So you're really getting money for doing exactly what you were planning on doing. You just have to go through Rakuten first. And that bonus of $25 is if you spend at least $30 within the first 90 days of signing up. No matter where you shop, you will get that $25, and then so will I. So I'm thanking you in advance if you use my link as well. Okay, so like I've mentioned, this is what it's called Beauty with Benefits. And they give you a free gift based on something that you've purchased within that section that is under the Beauty with Benefits section. And then you will get a free gift worth over $150 worth of products, which is what I'm going to show you today in the HSN, what I bought, as well as what I got as the free gift. Okay. But what I want to do is just tell you briefly a little bit about what Beauty with Benefits is about. So I have my notes, and it says, help make a difference when you shop this section of donated beauty finds because 70% of their purchase price benefits cancer and careers. It's established to help people with cancer thrive in the workplace. Plus, if you tune in, and this is the date that I want you guys to mark down, May 25th from 8 to 10 on it's on QVC, I think it's 8 to 10, and on HSN it is from 10 to midnight, and it's called the Beauty with Benefits show. The purchase price excludes shipping, handling, and tax, but I think they're making the shipping on all of these things just $2. And they're saying the gift with purchase, which is what I'm going to go through with you now. As a thank you for your support, you score a tote bag with the Beauty with Benefits order. It's filled with 10 plus items from brands we love like Too Faced, June Jacobs, Wen, Josie Moran, just to name a few, and it clocks in at a minimum of $150. It's while supplies last and one per customer. So what I ended up doing was as you know, and if you've watched me for a while, you know how I do this. I always go into anything that has a lot of products on it. I always go to the feature where it lets me filter, and I filter from low to high. So I was able to pick up, because I'm still going to shop on the day of the sale, but I wanted to, to continue the support, but I wanted to get something the least expensive that I can find of something I would use, so I'd be able to get this early enough to show you guys and be able to film it so that you guys will be able to take advantage of this as well. So the item that I chose was around $15, and it was this product that's called Tan Towel. I used this years ago. I haven't used it more recently, but what's really nice about this is like a towelette that you're able to put all over your face and your body. It doesn't leave any markings at all, like on your hands or anything. I've enjoyed this in the past. Like I said, I haven't used it for years, but when I saw it, I decided that was what I was going to choose, and that was called the Tan to Go Plus Kit. It was $15 plus the $2 shipping. It simply is, it's the perfect sunless sampling kit for beginners and those looking for an easy self-tan while they're on the go. They're saying it will come in 2 full-size bodies and a half body plus. They're saying the tan towels are the best for medium to dark skin tones. I'm like on the borderline of light medium, and it's fine for me. And then it just works with your DHA, and like I said, I've used it in the past and I really enjoyed it. So that's everything that I think I need to tell you. So let me just show you everything that came in the bag, and then we'll go through it from there. All right, okay, great. This is the bag that it came in, and don't be concerned if when you place your order, it doesn't say that it's coming with this, as long as you purchase within that section that's under Beauty with Benefits, because when I checked out, it only showed me the actual item. It didn't show me the bag, but when my parcel came, it came with both. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys as well. So this was the tote bag that was filled with all these goodies. So let's start at the beginning. So I just randomly put it out on my table, but the last item is the one that blew me away, which was in here. So this one is from Strivectin. It is the NIA 114. They're saying it's a tightening neck cream, and it came in this little box, and this is the sample size that we received on here. This is a new brand to me, so if you're familiar with any of these products, please leave them in the comments down below and share with me, because a lot of these products are new to me, which is something I love. All right, so the next item here is from June Jacobs, and it's saying it's a hydrating mist, and that's what we got here. The next item here is from Nicole Miller, and this brand I didn't know was on HSN, so I'm really excited. It's called Whimsy, and it's a body lotion. The next item that's in here is one that I have used and enjoyed. This is from this brand called Pray, P-R-A-I, and it's an Ageless Throat and Decollete Cream. That's this item here. The next one I couldn't believe was in here, because I didn't know this was also going to be on HSN. It's from OLAPLEX, and this is now starting to show up in Ipsy, in BoxyCharm, and I mean, this is a Sephora type of product, so really excited about this. This is called number 6 and is the Bond Smoother. And a few of you have written to me in my comments that you use this brand and you really, really enjoy it. So really excited to have the opportunity to try that. This product I am familiar with, and I really do use it and enjoy it. This one is called Tribal Chocolate. It's for all hair types. It is from the brand called Tweaked. Tweaked used to be the guy who started with Ojon, if you're familiar with Ojon. And I really enjoyed his product line, and then he sold it, and then his mother got ill and he had to start making some products for her, and then this whole brand started. So it's kind of like the Ojon theme, but I really, really enjoy his products. So it is called Tweaked by Nature. The next item is also from a brand that I use and enjoy, and it's called Wen. And this is his Strength Restore Cleansing Conditioner. It's for all hair types. It is a rice-based, gluten-free. What's nice about these is it feels like a conditioner, but it's actually a shampoo. It doesn't have any sulfate, so it doesn't suds up, but it is fantastic for you and for your hair. So really, really enjoy that. The next item is one that also I really enjoy this brand. It's from Korres. It is the Foaming Cream Cleanser, and I think I just received or ended up purchasing in the add-ons something from this brand, or it was a choice item, I can't remember, but I did have the opportunity to try it and I really, really enjoyed it. So hopefully if you end up doing any of this, you will get a sample of it in here, which is really, really good. The next item came in this little cylinder here, which is really exciting. I have no idea what this is, so we're going to open this up and see. Oh, and it is from the Beekman 1802, and it looks like it's a lip balm. Beekman 1802, from what I remember, years I watched, and they have something to do with a goat farm and things like that, so it's a really good line as well. So happy that that's now on HSN. I had no idea. I haven't watched these channels in such a long time, but it used to be where I used to get a lot of my products way before the boxes, so excited about that. There's also in here a full brush from the brand called Wet, which is a fantastic pop and go detangler. So there's a mirror on the one side where my fingers are, and the brush, it folds in half, so you'll be able to take this traveling. And the Wet Brush Pro is a really, really strong brand. They're one of the first ones that came out with these brushes that you use on wet hair. And then the last item in here was one that I kept missing out on getting, so I'm so excited that it is in here. It is from Too Faced. It is the Diamond Light Multi-Purpose Diamond Fire Highlighter, and this is definitely full size. And I always knew that HSN had a strong relationship with Too Faced, but and a lot of my Too Faced I got through HSN because their bundles were always fantastic. But look how gorgeous Too Faced's packaging. First of all, I love their products. So the quality of their products for me have been fantastic. Everything that has been in the tin containers and things like that, I have always enjoyed. I always tell you guys up front that with Too Faced, the only products that I ever were disappointed was when they did those huge packages for Christmas time that are in those cardboard type of, that I felt the quality was different. But everything else from Too Faced, from their foundation to their concealers to all their products, I have always enjoyed. So the fact that this is in here, I think is absolutely fantastic. So it actually looks like you are getting a diamond gift, and this is how gorgeous this packaging is here, and this is what it looks like here. So really, really excited to get this. So like I said, this was all free based on purchasing one item within that section, and you're also giving back, so it's a win-win. So hopefully you guys will help support this and then be able to get one of these fantastic bags as well. But like I said, the dates that I mentioned at the beginning, I will leave in the description box down below, because that's the date where there's going to be a full load of products. However, I'm going to give you a warning. When they show up on air, they go out like this, so you have to be really ready to place your orders and get them on. But as I said, they will trickle a few in before the big launch date, but it is a fantastic evening to spend and see all of the products for all of these fantastic people that have donated their products to benefit of an amazing cause. And I cannot wait to you guys to have the opportunity to also get the free bag with the purchase. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments down below. This is not sponsored. This is something that I've been doing for many, many years because I was a big purchaser on HSN and QVC. So I wanted to be able to share it with you guys here on YouTube. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, it is so, so important that we all continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.